Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, let us see what are nullable value types in C#. In the previous video, we have seen what are value types and what are reference types. So value types are nothing but the data types which are having fixed size. So reference types are nothing but which are having variable in length or unlimited size. Okay. So here, let us see the example here. We have discussed this in the last video. Here you can see integer a equal to 100, string b equal to welcome. And I want to store null value into this string variable. So there is no error. It is working. And now I want to store null value into the integer variable. That is nothing but value type. Integer is a value type. It is not allowing null value into it. Similarly, if I want to store null value into Boolean, here also we are getting the error. So, but string is allowing null values, but Boolean or integer or any value type is not allowing null values. Why? So, if I am doing a database operation, and getting this data, suppose if I am getting the data from database can store null values in both value types and reference types. So in the database, in integer place also we can store null, in Boolean place also we can store null. So if we are getting null value from database, then this will fail. So if we store that value inside this, it is showing error. So we can get runtime exception, right? To handle this situation, like reference types are accepting null values, so there is a provision given for value types, that is nothing but nullable value type. If you want to store null value into value type, that is, so you can use question mark. So this one is now this is a nullable value type. So without question mark, it is a value type. With question mark, it's a nullable value type. The moment you add the question mark, you can see here error is resolved. So now this variable is able to store values or nulls. Here also, if you add question mark after that, so now you are marking this as this type can store both values and nulls. So the moment you added question mark, the error is gone. So that is nothing but nullable value types. So these nullable value types feature added in C# 2.0, which allows to store null values under value types. Before 2.0, null values can be stored only under reference types, which are string, object, or class, which is a problem when we are accessing data from databases, because databases always allows null values under both value types and reference types. To overcome the above drawback and provide improved interaction with the databases, so we are given with the option to store null values in value types by declaring type as a nullable type, suffixing with question mark. Here you can see integer question mark is the nullable value type. And these are some of the examples we can see here. String str equal to null is valid because it is a reference type. Int x equal to null is invalid. We have seen it just now. If you want to make that valid, you need to make it int question mark x equal to null. Then same case for decimal also. Decimal d equal to null is invalid. Decimal question mark d equal to valid. Question mark gives you the provision to store null values also. So that's about nullable value types. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.